Fn versus percentage ferrite. Fn means ferrite number. So Fn and percentage ferrite are not same thing. This is one of the most common mistakes in ferrite testing. In ferrite measurement, two different scales are used. One is ferrite number written as Fn, the other is percent ferrite. What is the volume percent ferrite or volume percentage? So Fn or ferrite number is the magnetic measurement. It is defined and controlled by standards like AWS A4.2 and ISO 8249. The instrument is calibrated using standard reference blocks traceable to recognized standards. So Fn is widely used in protection welding because it is fast and reproducible and non-destructive. So we can measure ferrite directly on the weld without cutting the sample. Okay. Here, percent ferrite. On the other hand, means the actual volume fraction of ferrite in the microstructure. This is usually measured by metallographic point counting under a microscope. For this method, we need to cut a sample and polish it and etch it and then examine the microstructure. This is usually measured by metallographic point counting under a microscope.
Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our page for more upcoming videos.